Hi guys, it's Balika here again, and in this video I want to share with you my love for scrapbooking and just printing out photos, cutting them up and making them into wonderful gifts for my loved ones. So one example is actually behind me. This is why I'm choosing to film in this corner of my home. This is a birthday present that I gave to my dad on his birthday. I basically just put a lot of our family photos together on one big board and gave him as a birthday present. I've written down some of the places that we've lived in before. We've moved house several times, but I'm gonna show you a simpler project that doesn't require a giant board like this. So I made this scrapbook for a friend on his birthday, and this is what I want to show you in this video, how easy it is to make something that is so special and heartwarming, because a lot of his friends weren't able to gather because of the pandemic, but I was able to put in a lot of their birthday wishes and just special messages from them. I think that scrapbook should always be colorful. It just makes you happy to see all those colors, but often it's not so easy and it takes a lot of time to maybe color each page and fill each page with just lots of colors. So what I decided to do was I picked a storybook. This is an actual storybook with an actual story inside about this panda who went to Japan. The book originally looks like this. The reason why I have many copies is because I'm a teacher, so I lead these reading clubs with primary school kids, so I have a lot of these colorful storybooks with me. And so I found this one. This one is called Birdie Goes to Japan, and it's just so cute and so colorful inside, so that it makes for a good base for the scrapbook. Because even if you don't decorate a whole lot, you'll still see a lot of colors in it. I started with this, and also because my friend that I gave this scrapbook to, he has also been to Japan, and so he has been to places like let me see, the Fuji mountain. And so I actually left some of these pictures in. Choose a colorful storybook to start off your scrapbook. Bonus point if you can find a story that kind of relates to your friend. You can even start with a magazine, doesn't really matter, but I love how this book has a hardback, so it makes for a very just looks like a very finished gift. And the next thing you want to have in your arsenal of crafting materials is some letter stickers. And you also want to send out some messages to his friends. In the messages that I sent out, I basically asked his friends 3 questions. When did you first meet him? And what was your first impression of him? What do you see him doing in 10 years' time? And a birthday message. Usually these friends would come up with funny or nostalgic answers, and I would print these answers out along with the photos that they sent me and stick them into the scrapbook. Here are some before and after photos of the scrapbook, and this is all I have for you in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun arts and crafts ideas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!